Copper prices are still at some of the lowest levels in the past 5 years, driven by low economic activity in China, at least slowing down. It has curbed prices. There's excess supply in the industry. Over the past five years, global miners with exposure to copper have underperformed the overall stock market significantly. However, in 2016, we had a small rebound in copper prices, and a lot of the miners with large exposure to copper, like Freeport-McMoRan, BHP Billiton, Codelco, Glencore, has rebounded significantly in their share price. The situation we're facing right now is that our longer-term view on this commodity is actually positive. The short-term view, however, is slightly more negative and clouded. There is still a lot of supply coming into the market, and short-term that could pressure the overall copper price. And the interesting thing is that over the past weeks, we've already now seen copper prices being flat. Some weeks are actually trended down, but the miners still have a very robust performance. We think that could change. I think short-term investor sentiment on these stocks, these miners, could change dramatically. And over the next 3 months, we could see a setback for the copper prices, and that could cause pretty steep declines for these copper miners. However, I want to reiterate that long-term our view is actually positive. The supply and demand picture will change, and also if China picks up in terms of economic growth later into the year, we could see action in these miners again. But in short term, we've changed our view now to being negative on Glencore, Codelco, Freeport-McMoRan and BHP Billiton.